Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Welcome back to another live stream. For those of you who are watching later, which I would encourage you to do, just a couple things that I want to share before I go live on TikTok. Just give me 1 second to get set up here and make sure I'm able to interact with people. So I've been getting this question a lot about. Good morning, Evil D. I've been getting this question a lot about, where's the money gonna come from for Bitcoin to get to $200,000? As I've been saying, $200,000 this cycle. Where is the money going to come from? And I've just been thinking through this in my head. And there's a couple of things that I want to share about volume. All right, this is Bitcoin since 2013 or so. Here's 2018, and look at what I'm looking at here. The volume on the bottom of this page here. I mean, you can barely even see it. It's a blip. And in early-ish mid 2019, we see, as far as the volume is concerned, that it's just as heavy as it was in 2018. And then you look at the volume now, over 2020, 2021, in comparison to 2018, the volume is there. The volume is there. Good morning, Grant. The volume is at a perfectly fine level for us to reach $200,000. Over the last 24 hours, we have seen a trading volume of $38 billion. So just do this with me in your head. Let's just say there's a 5% increase in that volume of buying versus more than selling, which I think we'll see, because, think about it. Long-term holders, short-term holders have sold a lot over the last 40 days. Long-term holders have accumulated about 700,000 Bitcoin. More than that, actually. It's probably closer to 800,000 now. And so we are going to see, with that, unless there's some major stock market crash or something like that, we're going to see that flip happen to where even just a 5% increase in buying pressure with that volume would cause, in a year, the price of Bitcoin to get back to about its all-time highs. So what about a 10%? What about a 15%? That is, in comparison, 38 billion in comparison to where we were earlier this year, is low volume. It's very low. Not very low. It's about half of what we were seeing when Bitcoin got to its peak, aside from like a couple super high volume days. And so that is very, very realistic. It is very good morning, good day, technical fundamental. Very, very realistic for Bitcoin to at least get back to its all-time high within a year. Long-term holders keep adding. Volume is very strong in comparison to 2018. The volume is there for us to get to $200,000. And so, all right, how about another exercise? What if the volume doubles, goes to close to $80 billion a day, which it will as we get closer to that all-time high? There's going to be more buying pressure at that time. There's going to be more of that volume is going to be buying than it will be selling at that time. And so I think it's very realistic. I'm thinking through this objection as to, like, where's the money going to come from to get us to $200,000, to get us over $100,000. Look at the volume, 38 billion a day. That's enough. Over time, that is enough if it just gradually, slowly increases from buying volume, from selling to buying, which it will, because the weak hands are gone. So who's selling? Not, the ones that are buying are, people are buying more and more, but like long-term holders are buying very aggressively right now, and there's not much selling left to do. So I wanted to share that. I'm still thinking through that exercise. What's realistic? You know, like I said, 5% in, even if just a 5% increase, we'll see the price rise pretty well. Dude, all right, I'm gonna look outside real quick. All right, never mind. I was driving the other day, and there was this person with a train horn in their truck, and which I think is in general is funny, but like the guy kept on beeping just to be annoying, and he was right behind me, and as soon as the light turned green, he beeped his horn, and that really pissed me off. So I heard a train horn, and I was wondering if that was the same person. So okay, I'm gonna go live on TikTok, and here we go. You guys know the drill. Those of you on YouTube, you know the drill. Oh man, it's exhausting, but TikTok's where it's at as far as the organic reach. I wish YouTube was like that. I mean, it makes sense that TikTok would be like that. All right, gonna go live. 3, 2, 1. Yay, I'm live on TikTok. Hooray. Am I live on TikTok? Come on. I should be live on TikTok. All right, Mr. Solis, good morning. I am live on TikTok, but it's not showing up here. What's going on? It's not showing up on my desktop. So I need this to see the chat. All right, World War Bitcoin, yeah. Come on. Oh my goodness, my stupid phone. All right, bear with me 1 second. Trying to set my phone back up. Why is this not showing up on my computer? I look at the light. 1 second. Sorry for the trouble. I'm here. All right, now my computer screen is off. I'm just having technical difficulties right now. How about I move my computer up? All right, why did this turn off? Why did my second monitor turn off? Is my phone charging? Oh no, okay. Start getting up and bam, back down. Yeah. All right. Like that. All right, I promise you I will get this. I need to plug something in real quick. Cut the beard. Yeah. Oh no, crypto power is gone. All right. This is brutal. My surge protector, I promise you this will get better. My surge protector got unplugged. I'm going to plug it back in, and I will be right back with all of you. Give me 1 second. You like the look? Thank you. Hello. Humblest apologies. No, I'm not that humble. I try to be, but I'm not. All right, I am almost ready. Current Doge predict. I mean, I've been saying $1 this cycle, so I'm going to stick with that. Had to step away from crypto while the market was down. I think the market will be back up by the end of the year. Yeah, end of the year, yes. I think we'll pass the all-time high in, I don't know, November, December, something like that. And once we pass the all-time high, it'll be good stuff after that. So, all right, I need to pull back up my YouTube chat here. All right. And what's up, cutie? Okay. All right. Zlatan, good to see you again. Can you elaborate on what a cycle is? Yeah, that's very important. It's very important for people to understand that. 4-year halving cycles. Everything goes by Bitcoin's 4-year halving cycles. So Grayscale adding Cardano. Okay. So every 4 years, the amount of Bitcoin that can be mined a day is cut in half. And that has an effect on the price. The last halving was in May of 2020. So every time there's a halving cycle, there's a bull run. And, you know, last time in 2017, 2016, after the 2016 halving, it was, what am I thinking? It was about 1.5 years for that bull run. So, yeah. Hello, Necromesa. Have I heard about Strikecoin? No, but I'm assuming it's a meme coin. And then you're going to not tell me that it's a meme coin? Hey, Australia Miller, happy Friday. Man, why can I not pull up my live stream on my desktop? No, yeah, it's totally not a meme coin. You're right. All right, tell me what it is. Ecomi has been on a little uptrend. I haven't looked at the price at all. So, yeah. Are we seeing a new cycle forming? No, I don't know. No, I mean, I think I'm not expecting much from July. So, what's up, Pete? All right, so when you refer to cycle, it's all based on the cycle ending May 2024. No, I mean, not necessarily. I'm referring to the initial bull run within the cycle. So, my goodness, why can I not see my chat on the screen here, on my computer screen? Oh, man. Oh, because I'm not logged in. Sorry, I need one more minute to get logged in. I don't want to do that. Let's see what happens if I do this. All right, Strikecoin, 1 billion supply. Really legit project in the works. Would really want you to look into it. Does it do anything? That's what I want to know. Oh, man. Or is it just a community-based token? There we go. Thank you for bearing with me, everybody. I'm trying really hard. And I am almost ready. Okay. All right, thank God, year-end wise. No worries then. Yeah, what's up, Pete? Oh, thank you for the sunglasses. When you refer to cycles, all based on the cycle ending May 2024. I think I answered that. Will Doge get up to $1? I do believe so, yeah. 70% of Cardano is staked, so what does it mean for us who are holding Cardano? I mean, I think that's great news, because that means that it's not going to lose 99% of its value like it did after the peak in 2018. So, let's see. Vive announced that the market deal announced the market dealer going to add video NFTs. Okay. Cardano to $5. I think so. All right. If you go on their website, you can see pitch deck. It's a very small project. All right. All right. Everrise is not a meme coin. Sorry, I'm going to go back down to the bottom of the chat. After we pass how long before we see six-figure. All right. When you talk about Cardano at 8 this cycle, you mean by no? I don't mean May of 2024. I mean by May of 2025 or sorry, no, 2022 or something like that at the latest. After we pass all-time high, how long before six-figure Bitcoin? How quickly will a peak happen? I think it's going to be fairly quickly after passing that all-time high. So yeah, maybe like 2 months or so, maybe a little longer. And then the peak. I don't know. I mean, I think it will be quick. That's all I'll say. All right, coming out with a DEX in July. All right. Everrise, would you explain staking, please? You hold crypto on a platform and you get returns in it. You think ETH will go below 1,800 this weekend? No, I'm gonna guess not. But I'm holding that very lightly. Will Robinhood fail? Probably not. All right, please don't spam questions. I will try as hard as I can to get to all of them. Working with a law firm, okay. The Doge train is over, IMO. I mean, it follows Bitcoin. If Bitcoin is going to hit six figures, which I believe it will, then Dogecoin will be just fine. But after that, in the bear market, Dogecoin is going to be dormant. Thank you for those birds. VeChain to 50 cent. Eventually, yeah. Just wanted your actually thoughts, not shilling attempt. I mean, yeah, I know nothing about it, so and I no guarantees that I'll look into it. So, what's up, Spungrob? You think Shiba Inu will ever hit a cent? No, I think it will never, ever, ever hit a cent, unless bread costs $1,000 one day. Then it will hit a cent. But no, I don't think so. What do you think HBAR will get to? Like $2 this cycle? When are we going back to full out bull? It's going to be a few months still. I think July is going to be flat, but August I think will be pretty decent. So yeah, Bitcoin's still on sale. Yeah. Why do I say no? I don't even know what you're asking. Oh, all right. Wait a second. Let's see if the bit cycle ends in May of 2024. Why do you refer to the end of the cycle being 2022? That's the end of the bull run within the cycle. I'm not going to take too much time to talk about this. This is like pretty basic things that if you just look on YouTube, I will you'll be able to find stuff. So I've been saying, why do I say no? I've been saying U-shaped recovery for quite a while now. That's why. So all right, I'm hopping over to YouTube to look at some things here real quick. I am live on YouTube. It's a better viewing experience. I will really be able to answer every question or comment on YouTube. So good morning, Hussein. Good morning, Albert, or afternoon for me at least. Have you heard of the car company Spiridius that is proposed to mine some cryptos while idle? No, I haven't, but that sounds great. All right, Elon and Jack's debate on crypto on the 21st July event will have any impact. This is the first I'm hearing about it. I'm going to say no, but it might. But if you're going to put a gun to my head, I'd say no. Binance is moving out of Ontario, Canada. Do something. I've not looked into Signata. Are we going bullish now? You never know with the weekend. I mean, it's Friday. In general, I would say yes, but because we're going into a holiday weekend, that makes me a little bit more hesitant. Yeah, I'm in the U.S. Yep. Strikecoin.co. Oh my goodness, these hiccups. I promise those will go away. Thoughts on Binance being banned in Ontario, Canada? I don't think it's going to be that big of a deal. United States and China have the biggest effect on crypto right now. So, not Kanye West. What's up? How do I feel about Doge? I'm not a fan of Doge, but I have some. It is what it is. All right. Would you sell Bitcoin from Robinhood and buy someplace else like Voyager? No, not necessarily. Just hold on to it. I mean, the big thing I'm concerned about is taxes. It just depends. Are you up or down? I bought some crypto a long time ago on Robinhood. I really, really regret it. I mean, I could get 5% returns on BlockFi, something like that. And I have not sold. I've just held it there. But any new purchase is going on Voyager. It's going on BlockFi, something like that. So, all right, only meme coin I was in was SafeMoon. I got out, but I've been looking into Strike a while. Yeah, they are at good. Will the meme coins go higher? I think so. Especially if Bitcoin goes to six figures, I think everything's going to benefit. And it seems like, if it's based off of last time, we had Bitcoin season, Ethereum season, major altcoin season, and then we didn't have altcoin season. We had meme coin season, which really pisses me off. But if we have another meme coin season like last time, then yeah, you're going to make a lot of money with those meme coins. Will Bitcoin drop below 30? I don't think so. No. Unless there's like a stock market crash or some major thing. So Chainlink, Quant, and Solana for long term, I think those are all very good long term cryptos. Yeah. I have like $500 of Quant, $500 of Solana. I have a lot more Chainlink than those. Just, I've been planning on holding Chainlink long term to at least 2025. I might, since I have so little of the Quant and Solana, I might hold those as well. So, when do you prefer Voyager versus BlockFi? I mean, Voyager gives similar returns on certain cryptos. Like I can get 6.25% from my Bitcoin, and Voyager has a lot more options. BlockFi only has like 5 options. So that's usually when I prefer. Take a look and see if maybe you had some initial thoughts. Here's the thing, Necromesa. I get requests to look into cryptocurrencies often, and I really just don't have time. It takes me like a couple hours to research each crypto that I look into, and there's probably a list of like 50 that people have been wanting me to look into. So, all right, thoughts on Luna? I feel like it's held up quite well while everything else plummeted. I haven't paid attention to that, that it has held up well. I do know, so Luna has seen a lot of its growth happen already, which would be a concern. You look at Luna over the last year, it's performed very well. How much more room does it have to grow? Maybe it has a lot of room to grow. I don't know. But I think some other cryptos are going to outperform it. Heard can't transfer some coins off Voyager. Yeah, I think I heard the same thing. I haven't looked into it. You could exchange. So, yeah, is it true that they don't let you transfer another wallet? Some coins, apparently. I haven't looked into it myself. I have heard of Radix. I don't know enough about it, though. So, do you recommend getting crypto with Coinbase? Their fee is so high. That's pretty much why I wouldn't recommend it. But you can get Coinbase Pro, and I hear their fees are good. I prefer Voyager. Download Voyager. Use my referral code ALE749. A as in Apple, L as in Larry, E as in elephant. 749. You'll get $25 of free Bitcoin, and you'll skip the waiting list. So, would you trust Celsius with USD coin? Yeah, I think so. Yeah, see, audio. I have a note to look into audio, and I haven't done it yet. So, yeah, legit project that no one knows about. Okay. Can we do a phone call during the week if that's okay? Yeah. Hit me up on Patreon. Send me a message there. I'll be happy to talk on the phone. Is there a danger of the U.S. government turning our cryptos back into $1 if on an exchange? That's an interesting question. I don't know. I mean, all right, if the U.S. were to ban crypto, I suppose that could happen. But I don't know. I mean, I don't think the U.S. is ever going to ban crypto. I think what they would rather do is just tax the tar out of it, So move to Portugal, become a resident there for 6 months or so, and you'll be good. Don't want to bother me? Hey, I mean, no, let's do it. You pay for it, so XRP, if I withdrew XRP from BitTrue wallet to deposit my Voyager wallet 2 days ago and it still isn't But I would drew. So Authentics, I don't know the answer to that. So I mean, right now you can't buy XRP on Voyager. So I don't know if that's an issue there, but I really don't know what to say to help you. I'm sorry that that's happening. All right, Robinhood just disclosed their 11.6 billion in crypto holdings right ahead of their upcoming and highly publicized IPO. I feel they want a piece of the crypto pie, and we'll be changing some things. Robinhood will be a fun stock to watch. The ticker hood, they're gonna rug pull. I'm pretty certain that those people who founded Robinhood are gonna sell a bunch of their shares. So, all right, Everrise Telegram voice chat is active 24/7. Okay. X2P, I don't know what X2P is. Yeah, you can get HBAR and Voyager. Yep. Do you have a few coins you think are undervalued right now? I think lots of coins are undervalued in the moment. So Polkadot is looking very juicy at $15.20. If Matic were to get under $1, I would say Matic. Yeah. Or is there a danger that crypto projects essentially turn into banks? Not sure I understand that question. So I'm not. I'll pass on it, I suppose. Sorry about that. When we're back in a bull market, your viewers are going to skyrocket again. Ain't that the truth? And hey, yeah, so there's 55. That's pretty low in comparison to how many viewers I get on my TikTok live stream. There's been times I've had over 1,000 people viewing this. If you ever see 1,000 people in this live stream, that is a sign to you that we're near the peak, and it's time for you to absolutely be taking profits. So. Yeah, you can get HBAR and Voyager. Yeah, in Puerto Rico, no tax on short-term capital gains. I knew that. Yeah, I do option trade on stocks. Yeah, I've made a decent amount of money, but I'm more focused on what am I thinking? I'm more focused on crypto right now. So, all right, uni or cake. If you had to pick one, cake. What's your take on XRP now? Same deal. It's just going to be flat until the SEC suit is over. So. 500 spend. Buy more Cardano to start to purchase XRP. I'd say buy more Cardano. I think the SEC suit is going to go until 2022. So bullish on Algorand, yes. Do I like Stellar? I love Stellar. Yep. Would you buy Theta or XDC? I don't know enough about XDC, and I love Theta, so I would say Theta. Top three crypto to buy right now: Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Chainlink. Hey Sam, what's up? Did I miss your opinion on XRP? Oh man, sorry. It's funny. I made a TikTok yesterday, and I opened that TikTok by reenacting a live stream and saying stuff like, "For the 74th time, this live stream, I think the XRP is going to be flat until the SEC suit is over," and so that's my opinion on it. Top 5 picks for growth potential, excluding ETH and Bitcoin. Oh man, growth potential: Theta. Matic for sure, Chainlink and Solana for sure. I'm just gonna stop there. So Cardano or HBAR, in my opinion, HBAR. All right, I've heard of Strike before. Didn't look into it too much. It seemed like a solid project. Okay, all right. X2P Xenon Pay. Yeah, nothing for you, Hussein. Sorry about that. Thank you, Pablo. Thank you, Pablo, for what? Thoughts on AYAS? I still don't even know how to pronounce that. Kind of waiting and see on it. So no thought. Oh, Quant. Yes, Quant would be number 5. I don't know. I haven't looked into Elrond enough, but Quant would be up there as a huge potential growth thing. What's this SEC? SEC? The Securities and Exchange Commission? Michael, I'm good. When Lambo? Yeah. I am live on YouTube. Hop on over to my YouTube channel. Subscribe. It's a better viewing experience there. So, Uphold double charge me for 2 cryptos. Uh-oh. Dude, I'm sorry to hear that, man. I've heard really good things about Uphold. So, where do you see ETH by the end of the year? 5,000 or so? Will we see Bitcoin 20K or 40K first? 40K, because we're never going to see Bitcoin at 20K unless the stock market crashes. So how much QNT do you hold? Only about $500. But yeah, my plan is to add a whole bunch of Solana and Quant during the bear market. Sometime around 2023, I will be an eager buyer and holder of both. So Telcoin. Oh, Pablo gave me his opinion on Cardano. That's what I thanked him. Okay. Yeah, buy Sushi or Theta. I would say Theta. I mean, I like them both, but all right. I like Telcoin. They're making deals with legislation in Nebraska. I've heard about that. Yeah, Nebraska has a unicameral legislature and can pass crypto measures fast. Right behind Wyoming with DAO recognition. There will always be buying opportunities. Yes. What's up with ADA? Polygon. Cardano is holding well. Polygon is doing okay. I mean, yeah, it's down from its peak. It's down pretty big from its peak. But over the last 2 months, it's more than doubled. So Quant, what about it? I'm very bullish. I really like the fact that there's only 14-something million tokens. I think that could easily be a 4 or 5 figure crypto one day. So why does Comp keep pumping? Comp's not on my radar, so I don't know. HBAR is a long-term hold for me. I don't think XRP will rise soon for the 74th time. Would you say Theta or T-Fuel purely based on holding profits? Probably short-term T-Fuel, long-term Theta. Is QNT equal Quant? Yes. Comp or Algo? Don't know enough about Comp, but I do like Algo. Where do you think Ethereum Classic will be by the end of the year? Close to its all-time high, but not past it. So, good time to buy Quant. Your thoughts, please. I think now's a pretty decent time. I mean, Quant has performed very, very well despite all the craziness that's happening right now. Is it because Quant is like legit? It might be. So, and it still might be undervalued. Shiba Inu. It's going to be dormant for quite a while. I think Bitcoin will drop over the weekend. There's always that threat. I do think, yes, the only thing that would keep me away from saying yes is that it's shown a lot of resiliency around $33,000. But it's a holiday weekend. That doesn't usually bode well for crypto. So, yes, I do. Getting killed with ETH. Sorry, man. Sorry to hear that. Just hold, because ETH is gonna rock your world. What's up with Baby Doge? Hey, what's up, Eric? Elon Musk tweeted about it and it pumped a little bit. So Cardano and VeChain, I like them both. Hey, yeah, Bukat8819. Can you explain what you meant on your last tweet, moment of truth? I don't mean moment of truth as in this is a make or break for Bitcoin. I mean moment of truth with stock to flow. Plan B is saying that Bitcoin has to close at $47,000 at the end of August or stock to flow is invalidated. I really, really hope he's right. I don't see it. I think it'll be in the 40s, but not 47. And I would hate for him to just disappear off the map if Bitcoin is under 47,000 at the end of August. So for stock to flow purposes, yeah, that is a moment of truth. It's all good, man. Just revise the stock to flow model because I love it. And he's a very important contributor to the crypto market. So a Bitcoin price by the end of the year, I'd say like 80,000. But I do think in 2022 it'll flirt with 200,000. Bought cake at 26 pounds, now at 9. Do you think it'll rise above 26 again this year? Maybe not this year, but this time next year I think it will be higher than 26. Yeah, Quant. I don't know everywhere that it is, but I do know that it's on Coinbase now. It's on Coinbase now. So I bought it a couple days ago because it's new to Coinbase, which is generally a rule of mine, but I really wanted to get in on Quant. So you're welcome, Jennifer. My pleasure. All right, what else? Up little and down little. Yeah, Bitcoin may never hit 60K for a long, long time. It was overvalued. It was, but listen, the volume is there. Look at the volume even today, a relatively dead day. Look at it in comparison to 2017. It's so much heavier, or whatever the word is. So the volume is there. If it just flips even a little bit, like if the buying pressure increases by 5% on average, we will hit that all-time high within a year. And that's only 5%. So Divi Coin, please check. No promises. River, I have not researched. Bitcoin was made by the government in order to regulate DeFi. What do you think about that? I'm not willing to give the government that kind of credit. The government, listen, I'm a fiscal libertarian, and I have very little trust that the government could do something well, especially something like Bitcoin. So ETH price prediction in the next 12 months, 15,000. Coinbase made the fee so high, then Binance. Yeah, I just really wanted it on Quant, so, that's why I got it, and I just suffered through those fees. Every day there's no coin that enters Coinbase. I keep buying. The whole crypto seems like you have to day trade it. I mean, I'm a buyer and holder. Why do you like Quant? It's really not the easiest thing in the world for me to explain on this live stream. Interoperability is the word that I would throw out. That it seems like it's giving opportunities for cryptos to interact with each other that weren't there before. And then just from a technical analysis standpoint, the fact that it's holding up so strong right now is very impressive. And there's only 14.5 million coins. So it's number 72 by market cap. I could easily see it being a major player, one that survives over the long run. So anyway, need to respond to more comments here. Government employees. Yeah, government employees. Osgod coming. Oh, hey, what's up? Hey, NXTV Crypto. What's up? BNB predictions 2000. I'm very bullish on BNB. I know that, and maybe 2000 is a little bit aggressive just because of all the legal stuff they're dealing with. Hey, I'm going to hop over to YouTube and respond to some comments there. So I am live on YouTube. Look up World War Bitcoin on YouTube. So, all right. Am I selling some ETH just before the release at the end? No, I'm not, Ross. Not at all. Nope. Limit order for ETH at 1900. Should I DC it down, or do you think it will go much lower? I don't think it's going to go all that much lower than 1900. But I could see that limit order being filled. Maybe do like 1913 or something. Don't do just 1900. DeFi guaranteed returns, even low percentage returns, are going to be bringing many old money heads in. Good. Yes. Gate.io has Quant. Okay. Coinbase is setting up their app akin to Apple model of having App Store, and those programs will be able to integrate with your Coinbase account as widgets or tools. Excellent. All right, 5 coins that will still be there in 2030. Bitcoin, Ethereum. I mean, I think a decent amount will be there. 2040 will be a different story, but Bitcoin, Ethereum, VeChain, Binance for sure, and dare I say even Doge. But, Solana, there's plenty. I'm very confident about a lot of those. Chainlink. All right, do you see a dip through the summer and an uptrend starting in September? No. I would say a small climb throughout the summer and then an uptrend starting in September. Tron, I hate Tron. Not a fan. Can you explain how Bitcoin is supposed to be similar to gold but won't be a hedge to a down stock market? Actually, I think it will be one day. It's 12 years old. So it's similar to gold in the sense that it's a store of value, but it won't be a hedge to a down stock market. Give it time, and it will be. I certainly think so. So, what price would you personally sell Doge at? I don't know. Once it gets near that all-time high again, I'll probably be pulling out pretty significantly. So Fast Eddie says no chance. I have no idea what he's talking about. So, but yeah, I disagree with you, even though I don't know what you're saying. No chance to. It makes me bullish on Coinbase stock being the first vertically integrated finance companies. Yeah, I could see them doing well. It's funny. I was thinking about Coinbase. It would make sense that their people, sold their shares because Coinbase is going to correlate with the price of Bitcoin. And so why not just sell your shares, because that's not, in the long run, not going to have much of an effect on the price of the stock. So thoughts on Algo, please. All I'll say is I'm bullish. I love Chainlink. It's a long-term hold for me. Bought more Cardano today, loving it. Awesome. Yeah, it's holding strong. So, all right. Why do I hate Tron? I hate cryptos that have been rug pulled. Tron was rug pulled a few years ago. Internet computer, I will always hate internet computer. I'm rooting against them. They rug pulled, and not only did they rug pull, they prevented other people from selling their coins. So. Thoughts on Crow? Lots of potential with Crow. I'm very bullish on it. So, any predictions for Hollow and how long to hold? I got no predictions for how long to hold. Just when you see, anytime you see some level of euphoria that just seems out of place, like this past in May, this Dogecoin euphoria should have been a sign to all of us that we were nearing an end of sorts. And so I would say the same thing with Hollow, with any coin, really. If you see any kind of euphoria with Shiba Inu, with Dogecoin, with all that stuff, it's like you've got to eject a decent amount. So thoughts on Dent? I don't know enough. What should I buy now, bro? I'm only buying Bitcoin and Ethereum right now. Aside from if there's a cryptocurrency that I haven't had access to, that hits a platform that I'm on, then I'll buy that crypto, like Solana and Quant. I bought some of that this week because they're on Coinbase now. Access to those before. So, what's up, Fry? Good to see you again. I am caught up. Fantastic. If you guys, for those of you watching on TikTok, I would really, really appreciate it if you could double tap the screen real quick. It would be wonderful. So, thoughts on Telcoin? It's weird. I thank you. I see you sending likes to the host. Thank you so much. I don't know enough about Telcoin. I hear lots of people talking about it, and those who talk about it, it's just like, dude, that sounds awesome. And that's another one. If all of a sudden that was on a platform that I have, I would buy it. Thank you, Michael. Hold Alex until I have 1,000 viewers on the live stream. Yes. CTSI just averaged down. I don't know enough. Sorry. Thoughts on Sia Coin? Nothing. How long am I holding ETH for? I'm gonna sell maybe 2 of my ETH at the end of the bull run. But yeah, I'm holding for a long, long time. I'm holding my Bitcoin for at least 20 years. Maybe I'll say ETH for 10 years. So why not DCA into alts right now? Yeah, I trimmed my beard, Mohammed. I trimmed it a little bit. All right, so why not DCA into alts right now? Bitcoin's dominance is at 46.77%. That really concerns me. That's just really concerning to me right now. Because Bitcoin's dominance, the fact that it would be under 50 and stay under 50, I'm like, all right, Bitcoin, I think, has to outperform alts. It is historically low still. And so how is it going to outperform those alts? Is it going to crash and then the alts will just go down even further, or is it going to rise and outperform those alts? So I would rather be holding on to Bitcoin and buying into Bitcoin. Spain versus Switzerland. Spain is up 1-0. This is a very interesting Euro tournament. So am I only accumulating Bitcoin right now? I am willing to accumulate Ethereum as well. And I set some limit orders that haven't been filled. and maybe they won't be filled. I'd be okay with it if they weren't filled. I am live on YouTube. Look up World War Bitcoin on YouTube. Subscribe to my channel. Would really appreciate it. ETH may overtake market cap, ending Bitcoin dominance forever. It might, yeah. Yeah, it might. So then, and what I think would happen, which would be great, is that a lot of these cryptos will decouple from Bitcoin and stop performing as Bitcoin performs, which would just be awesome, you know? Good morning, Jay. Umberto, what's up, man? I am good. How are you? All right, Dogecoin, AMP, and ADA. Yes. What about my? I hold 2 of those. I don't have any AMP. Dogecoin to $1, Cardano to $8. How do you feel about AMC? I mean, I have 61 shares, and I'm holding. I'll continue to hold until whatever, you know. What happens? What I think about ADA long term? I think, you know, I mean, listen, ADA's nothing right now, but if they do half of what they're saying that they're going to do, then ADA has a future, and I will be very, very bullish on it. So, I mean, in general, I'm bullish, but like the fact that it's worth $40 billion right now, it seems a little ridiculous to me. So, markets today are a roller coaster. Yeah, I know, man. Let's see. When will the bull market restart, and will it be better than January, April this year? I'm thinking the fall, like late fall, and I do think it will be better. Yeah. What's your estimate top price for ETH then you sell? Oh, man. Over 10,000, but I'll only sell 2 of my ETH, something like that. Get something nice for my wife. Why has Theta dropped low today in comparison to others? I don't know. Maybe maybe a big holder sold. So check out Everrise. You're welcome. That's like the 51st currency that I'm on my list to check out now. So is Decentraland going to go long, or will it be eclipsed by better projects? I don't know. Yeah, sorry, I really don't know. So, Mario, thank you so much. All right, look into AMP. There's another one that I will look into if I can. So, all right. CTSI is L2 scaling with optimistic rollups. I am more bullish Matic as they have diverse set of scaling solutions other than just the commonplace optimistic. Yeah, there's a reason for you to hop on over to my YouTube live stream. Technically Fundamental, regular on the live stream, drops some knowledge there, and you can't see it if you're on TikTok. So, how much link for a 1K return in the future? Chainlink is where today? I can't see that. It's under 20. Honestly, I think if you bought $100 of Link right now, that you would see a 1K return in about a year. Do you think Bitcoin is the most useful of all cryptos? No, I don't. But it has established itself as, you know, gold 2.0, whatever you want to call it. So, accumulation mode enabled should be my answer. All right. Does my wife like/trade crypto? Sorry, I'm looking at this laughing with tears. XOK, you know, there are other people in this world who exist. Why would you hold Bitcoin even after you died? Laughing with tears. I have 5 kids. I don't care only about myself. That's why. There are other people who exist, man. All right, what do you think is the most useful crypto? Man, most useful. You're going to... Hey, what's up, Jared? Man, I don't know. I really don't. I'm not even... and that's no offense. I have no way of answering that question, so... Yeah, thank you, Connor. And thank you, D-Bell. Yeah. If you go 20K, what would you put your money on? I have 2 Bitcoins and 29 ETH. Definitely some Chainlink. I mean, there's a lot with 20K. I mean, Chainlink, Matic, Cake, Theta, Solana, Polkadot, Binance. Man, even with 20K and you already have that much Bitcoin and ETH, it's like even I'd throw some of the junk coins, the meme coins. So that's the only time though. So, all right. Thoughts on Q2 jobs report today might price some things in and cause a pullback and bring down ETH. I am curious about that. What would cause a pullback? I mean, I know like usually 700,000 is the number we're looking for, or a little over 700,000. Oh man. Yeah, I don't know, Jared. Is July the month ETH up to 3K? I don't think so. I do think ETH is going to rise. Yeah, you're welcome, Mario. I think ETH is going to rise this month, but not to 3K. Amount of money does not change what you invest in. I disagree. How much price-wise do you think smart contracts will push Cardano to? How much of that is already priced in? That's the thing I would ask you, Jordan. Cardano's worth $40 billion. It's not, the smart contracts aren't there yet. So I don't know, will there ever be a price that you stop buying Bitcoin? No. Oh, distant future. Yeah, 1 million Bitcoin. I'll still stack those sats for sure. The amount allows you to be more risky with a portion of your investment. Yeah. You mind explaining staking a bit? It's just, holding your crypto on a platform and getting returns. Instead of mining, proof of work, it's proof of stake. You get returns. And so I do a lot of my staking on PancakeSwap. The returns are insane. And I know it's a little dangerous, but, I have about $40,000 worth of crypto on there. And I'm getting 100% annual returns. I mean, it sounds great to me. All right, what do you think about XRP for the 76th time this live stream? I think it's going to be flat until the SEC suit is over. That's a joke. Check out my second most recent TikTok. So would you say it's overvalued based on the concept of smart contracts coming already? It just depends. It's like, that's a great question, Jordan. It's like, look at Tesla. Tesla is worth as much as it is because, it's probably 1/20th of what it's going to be in 2030. So I wouldn't say it's overvalued. It's just, Tesla is overvalued, but I could see it one day be very much worth what it is now. So why is crypto staking dangerous? It's not necessarily that staking is dangerous. It's just the security of the platforms. So Connor, thank you. All right, thoughts on Tron? No, Umberto, I hate Tron. Justin's son, I'm not touching. I don't want anything to do with him. He rug pulled it pretty hard a few years ago. That doesn't mean it's not gonna go higher. I just think, I don't want to throw my money in that direction. So, deja vu. Yeah. Open interest seems like won't be bullish until the fall. Yeah. Been using quant data. Highly recommended. Okay. Yeah, I've been saying for, ever since we got under 42K, I've been kind of seeing kind of like a Bitcoin winter. And when I say winter, I mean like, winter is a season of the year. It's 3 months or depending on where you live longer. So that's what I'm thinking. Nice one. Cheers, man. It really doesn't, though. Percentage of diversification means the same thing at 100K and 1K. I understand, Nick Knock. I just you can have that opinion, and you want to, if you have $1,000 and you want to put $5 into Doge or something, I'm not going to complain about that. It just, I'm just thinking like a $5 investment or something versus if you had $100,000 and you put 500 into Doge, it makes more sense. What's up, Fash? Relic Rhymes, what's up, man? I've seen some of your videos lately. making fun of a certain class of people, and that's all I'll say. Oh man, hilarious. Yeah, BTT too as well, Umberto. Yep, same thing. Although, I mean, listen, I hate to say it, like around that time that Pablo was talking about how they were trying to liquidate Justin Sun with all the FUD, I was like, you know what? I'm going to set an ultra low limit order for BTT, and it got filled, and so I have some, even though I hate it. Yeah, what are your thoughts on using BlockFi? I have a lot of crypto on BlockFi. I really like it, so yeah, definitely. Dogecoin, whatever. I mean, $2 or so. How much Bitcoin would be worth in 2030? Over $1 million. That's all I'll say. I'm new. Can I have help, please? What should I buy for 500 pounds? 250 pounds worth of Bitcoin and 250 worth of Ethereum. So, Jose, what's up? Good day. Is there a date for the ETH event? Oh, I saw somebody else ask that question. There's not an official date for the EIP 1559 launch. All I know is it's like going to be mid to late July, but I don't know. So, you think the run is coming back soon enough? I mean, a couple months still. So, are there any other Gen 4 cryptos like Radix, DLT? I don't know. Sorry. What are my pronouns? We, us. So refer to we as we. And when I say we, I mean we. That's a joke. All right, will ETH dump after the event? You know, as of right now, I'd say no. If you see this big pump before, then yes, but otherwise no. What's the risk of staking? What is it? I mean, if the platform is secure, there's really no risk. Aside from the least risky thing is holding your crypto in cold storage. I have none of my crypto in cold storage, so been buying low but still going down. When is this going to stop? I think it's going to be another month or two. And I think July we'll see a little green candle, and August will be kind of moderate, and then September, October will be much better. So, yeah, Will's prepping for massive buys by sending millions to crypto exchanges. Yeah. What about Internet Computer? I hate Internet Computer. I hate it. They rug pulled. Nobody's talking about this. They absolutely rug pulled. Whoever bought into Internet Computer helped make them billionaires. And so they chose billions over actually building something that's going to be a part of the future. So I should make a video about the top garbage coins and why they're garbage. Maybe I should. Yeah. Hypothetically, if Tesla never bought Bitcoin at 43K and caused it to pump to 64K, you could say 43K was the all-time high and currently it's just going through a natural correction. You could, Ross. What I think is that if Tesla never bought Bitcoin, it was announced that Tesla bought Bitcoin when Bitcoin was at $38,000. I think we would have ranged at $38,000 for a few months, a couple months, and then slowly but surely been made our way up. And so maybe we'd be at like 43, 45 right now. But we went way too high, and then when we corrected back down to the moving averages, it injected enough fear into the market to just send it crashing down. So Radix, next generation of cryptos, I don't know. I have 17K invested at the moment, and 1% of that is spread out between Matic, ICP, Link, GRT, rest in Bitcoin. That sounds great. I mean, dare I say, maybe. No, you know what? No, that's great. I think that's phenomenal, Nick Knock. So I just started crypto this year. Do you use a tax software? I just use TurboTax. Everything, I just report everything on TurboTax. I mean, I'm self-employed, so when I report my taxes, it's an all-day thing of accumulating all that information. Is the halving in August? No. The HNT halving is in August. The last halving was in May of 2020. The next halving is going to be sometime in 2024. But, after the halving, there's usually, over those next 2 years, you can expect some upward price movements. So Dfinity isn't bringing anything new. Okay. Doge to the moon. Don't sleep. All right. Buy ETH now or wait. Wait until this weekend. I wouldn't be surprised if it was lower this weekend. Hey, what's up? All right. See you, Jared. For the flat July, August, green candle, September. Was that for crypto in general? Yes, Jose. Yep. Been DCA, but don't know if I should wait for dip. Weekends, man. Yeah. If I was a trader, which I'm not, I would just be an eager buyer on weekends and then sell sometime on Wednesday. Sold all my ETH. Devs are jumping ship. What? Really? I'd love to know some information on that. Projection for HBAR, $2 this cycle. Took out a Coinbase loan, bought 5K more Bitcoin to get to 17K, and put the 5K Bitcoin back in. All right, wow. Which is harder to be right now online, bull or bear? I would say bull. And the reason why I would say bull is like if you're a bull and you're wrong, people will just murder you. I mean, they'll be like they will be ruthless when it comes to just how much they hammer you and the mean things they say to you. I mean, listen, in June, I've been saying there's a lot of support at $30,000 for Bitcoin. In June, we spent 2 hours under $30,000. Only 2 hours. Those 2 hours, I got hammered. I got hammered on TikTok. I got hammered on YouTube. I got hammered on Twitter. I got hammered on Twitter by this one guy. I pissed me off. I blocked him. This one guy who I'd been messaging back and forth with, giving a lot of my time with, like giving him, just some advice on crypto. And then the moment it got under $30,000, like, here, it got under $30,000. You were wrong. No, I wasn't wrong. It wicked under $30,000, man. But if you're a bear and you're wrong, it's like that means the price went up and everyone's happy, and nobody's going to be all that mad at you. So, all right, 75% collateral health. Not sure what that's talking about. So I can't let it go below. See, I don't use collateral. So it's a little hard for me to follow what you're saying, but yeah. Emmett Trade Store is a good trading company. Solidity is horrible financial product. For financial products, exploit happen every day. I think you guys are all talking to each other. Where do you see the market going in 5 years? Up. I mean, we'll have another halving behind us. So, when you're a bear, people are buying. When you're a bull, people are buying. When a bear, they don't lose money and sit in the sideline. Yeah. You think price is usually higher on Wednesday than on weekends? That was just an example. It's something I've been throwing out. I mean, it's been a fact that the last several weekends have been really rough for crypto. So Elastos, nothing. Sorry. Collateral health from the Coinbase loan. Yeah, I knew that. Hey, what's up, Spacer Alien? Ignore the haters, Alex. Thank you. Thoughts on Crow? Crow has a lot of potential. I like Crow. I have a decent amount of it. I'm in the negative on Crow, but I'm not sweating it, honestly. So, all right, I went back and watched vids of various people before the bull run, and sentiment was nearly the same as now. What do you mean by that? I mean, just people being bearish, or what? Do you know anything about Cosmos? It's not super much on my radar, honestly. It's so worth getting a loan if you have at least 30% cash of whatever you're getting a loan afloat. All right. I mean, crypto in general is pretty risky for me as it is. And I'm a pretty big risk taker, but it seems interesting to me. So best buy sell platform. I mean, I really like Voyager. Fees are very low. If you don't have Voyager, use my referral code ALE749. Yeah, and you'll get $25 of free Bitcoin, and you'll skip the waiting list. So, when will Bitcoin get above 50,000 and Ethereum above 4,000? November or December, in my opinion. Crow will hit $2 in the next 12 to 18 months. I hope you're right, Sam. That seems a little high for me, but that would be great. I'm new and have a small stake in Bitcoin and Ethereum. What now? Keep adding Bitcoin and Ethereum, and then do as much research as you can. I mean, the next thing I'd probably add to that is probably Chainlink. My prediction for the weekend is I'm thinking lower from here. I don't think we'll go below 30,000, but you know, what's up with XRP? Yeah, SEC suit. You know, if you hold on until after the SEC suit, it will shoot higher. Thinking about doing a short-term play for VET, but I don't want to miss out on how low BIT and ETH is. What do you think? Any ideas? Help. Appreciate it. You know, buy it this weekend, Jose. Buy some this weekend and sell in the middle of next week or something. So don't know enough about comp. Sorry. Do you see Crow site as a pseudo crypto bank platform? That's an interesting way to put it. That might be, yeah. Please pin your code. Yeah, no. All right. Here we go. All right. Which account is this? All right. Sports Stories. That's a defunct account that I have. Can I pin it? I cannot. Bummer. All right, well, that's the code, ALE749. Yeah, so not 4789, 749. Gen 3s will have generalized niche use cases. DeFi will move to Radix DLT. I'll add Radix to my list. No, man, K2, no. AL1E749, and not number one, just only one E. Yeah, you got it. You can stack more sats at these amazing levels. Yeah. I mean, you could lose all of them. You could lose sats, right? I mean, curious to see your thoughts on how they develop in this new market. Who's they again? Okay, crypto.com. I don't know. All right, so if Bitcoin goes to 20K, it won't affect your loan. I mean, that's interesting to me. Dot predictions, $200 this cycle. Yeah, Captain Mike, I would recommend waiting till the weekend. Yeah. Oh man, okay. I have some work to do today, so I gotta run. But subscribe to my YouTube channel, World War Bitcoin. Follow me on Twitter, WW Bitcoin. Follow me on TikTok if you haven't already. And otherwise, I will be back on Monday, most likely. Probably not tomorrow. And gotta head out. So much love to you all. And same deal for those of you on YouTube. I am out. So I'll see you later.